Nickel, Ni, is a silvery white ductile metal. The atomic number in the period table is 28. The Latin name is nickelum. The oldest mentions of nickel date back to the 3rd century BC in the chronicles of Chinese scientists. The Chinese metal was used to produce luxury items and was named pakfong, which means white copper. It consisted of 3 components: nickel, copper, and zinc. Metal was discovered by official science in 1751, but became known to people much earlier. Most of the meteorites found contained large amounts of iron and nickel, and it was used by ancient craftsmen to make weapons and talismans. The introduction of the new metal into industrial production began in the middle of the 18th century, first by a Swedish scientist, Fredrik Cronstedt, followed by his compatriot Thorburn Bergman, and finally a German scientist, Jeremiah Richter, who completed the study and described all the main qualities of this metal in 1804. The name nickel is associated with an old Saxon legend about dwarf copper devil, Kupfernickel, who liked to play tricks on the miners by replacing the rich ore with poor mineral. By the end of the 19th century, nickel production began to grow actively. The most extensive application of nickel was found in metallurgy, in the production of high alloy stainless steels. By adding nickel to iron and cobalt metals, metallurgists obtained ductile alloys with increased corrosion resistance.